What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a minute since I did any recording, but been working on all sorts of stuff. Mercedes is actually running and driving and slacking on the whole recording thing, but it's been working. On this side, Tramp got a real mess going on here. Part of what I'm gonna do today is get all this stuff real organized because some things are finished and then I've got new parts coming in, so it's kind of like reorganized, that's the word for it. But yeah, we got my engine block back from the machine shop. This is just sitting on here because just trying to remember how everything goes. So basically, I just got this back from the machine shop. They put cam bearings in it and they washed it and put new freeze plugs in it. It was at a machine shop before that, and they cut the deck. They bored it 10 over and they did the line hone, magnafluxed it and, checked squareness on the deck, all that extra stuff. I already went through before it went and got washed again and tapped every hole in the whole block. Everything, yeah, that's what I did. Last night, the night before, got some primer and paint on there. I primed, I primed the entire engine block except for where I mashed off here and here. And then after the primer was set, I taped over some of these gasket surfaces because it's okay for the primer, and gaskets to meet. That's actually a pretty good, it's a good surface to make a seal on, because nothing will corrode there. But anyway, this is my main priority now. I'm gonna be building this engine. Got a bunch of parts, whole bunch of parts. So let me move some of this junk on the way. So this showed up yesterday, and we got all sorts of goodies here. We got the camshaft for this bad boy. We got our king bearings, rod names. I don't even know what this is, but it's made by County and they make pistons. Crank gear. Okay, got a double roller chain on this now. It's probably the timing chain right there. Nope, that's my adjustable pin here. So anyway, basically I'm gonna go through all this stuff today and kind of get organized for building the engine and cleaning the shop up. So yeah, that's where we're at. Just want to show you guys a bunch of new parts, whole bunch of new parts. Oh, also, yeah, we got these two. I'll show you this one second. All right, set this down to the ground. All right. So basically, we got a crank here too. I don't know if I talked about this at all, but when I pulled this motor apart, it was knocking, and I had to have, I don't remember now. Okay, it must have been the mains had to be ground in there 10 under. It was 20. So this crank has been, magnaflux checked for, cracks, turned, polished and hardened, and then nitride coated. So it's kind of as good as you can do without going to a knife edge custom crank. This is kind of the best you can do for that. So, but anyway, this is what came in the mail today. Whew, I'm excited about this. Yeah. Check this out. Got my twin Webers. Trying y'all. Oh yeah, look at those. I got two of them. One in the other box here. Oh, you can't see it, but there's another one in there, let me tell you. ITBs in this bad boy, I'm excited. So yeah, I'm just gonna be sort of reorganizing and preparing to assemble this engine. I just put paint on this engine last night, so I gotta get some plastic on this to keep out the dust and debris and stuff. I'll blow it out one more time and go from there. But just want to keep it nice and clean because it's not getting washed again. So yeah. see. But what we do have are connecting rods, and these have been balanced. As you can see, they're been ground. The big end and little end have been balanced individually. This has had new bushings pressed into the small end. It has ARP hardware, and then they resized the big end for the increased clamping force of the upgraded hardware. So, got my rods. It's there. These are the old pistons. They probably were fine, but I'm not taking any chances. The people who built this motor last time had no idea what they were doing. Let's see. Got a brand new set of pistons, and they have been sized for holes. So, you know, obviously these are all 20 over pistons, but they've been sized to the bore. So this would go in cylinder number 3, and yeah, so that's that. Also, I guess, let's see, is our ring kit? Yeah, okay, so here's our Hastings ring kit. So yeah, just gonna kind of keep going through this stuff. So I did some cleaning, got some stuff straightened up, kind of organized some stuff. Got my parts laid out here just so I can kind of see what I got, and you know, it helps me to think about, you know, the order which I got to do this stuff. Kind of cleaning up. This is just boxes from new parts. Gives you an idea how much stuff we got going on here. But I'm actually, I don't have any plastic gauge. I thought I did. I was gonna set the crank in this block and just check the clearances, but I gotta go get plastic gauge, so I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I gotta order a couple of things anyway, so it's not really holding me up. But I am gonna start, I already did this door panel, or this door. It's all stripped, you know, glass is out, there's nothing in it. So this is sort of the plating that needs to go down. So I'm gonna get this batch ready. Basically, I have to take all this stuff, and I'm kind of undecided on some of this. I may just replace like this piece, but if not, I have to disassemble all this stuff, bead blast it all, send it all down to Detroit, have it plated in whatever I decide I want to do it in. So I'm trying to get this batch of plating ready. So I'm gonna finish taking apart the door. So I'm gonna get this door tore apart, and then I should have a batch to go down to Detroit. So I'll spend, you know, a day bead blasting all this stuff, and that should keep me going for a while. So yep, I'm gonna tear this apart and go from there.